Alright, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back again to another video. Yes, I know, it's been a long time actually, yeah. Sorry, I've been busy with exams and stuff, so I was kind of busy with stuff, so I didn't really have the time to make videos and shit. So, yeah, we're back again. So today we're going to be doing the question set 21 in the DBMS question set. There's still some stuff I need to work on in the eShop, so we'll hold on to that for a while. So for today, we're going to be doing the question set 21. So without further ado, let's get to it. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are at these question set 21 right here, as you can see right here. So here it says, what is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject? Right, so let's go to the Hades skill right here. So as you can see, it tells us to find the highest mark in the first term subject of the mathematics. So let me just put in the query down here. As you can see right here, here we have the query. So I've given it the max statement to select the highest value out of all the values given right here. So I also given it the I specified which tables. I given it the student exam mark record. I given it the from, and of course I joined it with the exam term table to choose which term we need. And of course I give it the term ID, and of course I interjoined it with the subject table to choose which subject we need. And of course down here in the where clause right here, I've given it the conditions we need. The first term condition, and of course the mathematics condition, I given it right here. So let's run this. And as you can see right here, it gives us the answer right here. So 90 is the highest mark obtained in the first term mathematics subject. So yeah, that's the first question. Let's go to the second one. Alright, so here we have the second question right here. As you can see right here, it says, what is the highest mark obtained in the second term science subject? Right, so let me go to the Hades skill right here. So let me type in the query. Right, so there we go, as you can see right here. So as you guys can see, it's pretty much the same query but with different conditions. See, as you can see, for the term condition, I've given it the second term, and for the subject, I've given it the science subject. So let's run this and find out what the answer is. And there it is. The highest recorded second term science subject mark is 95. Right, so that's all we have now. Now that we're done here, let's go to the third one. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are, the third question right here. It says, what is the highest mark obtained by the students for all the subjects in the second term? So basically, they're asking us the highest mark obtained from out of all the subjects in the second term. So we'll try that one out right now. So let me check. So right here we have it. So let me just paste it right here. Right, so here we have the query right here. As you can see, I've also used the max statement again to select the highest out of all the values. So of course we've given it right here. So it's from the student exam mark record. We specified which table, and of course we've given it an inner join, and we joined it with the exam term table to choose which table. And the only condition we have for is the second term condition, which is because we need it all the subjects. So let's run this query right here and see what happens. And as you can see right here, this is the highest mark, which is 98.5. Right, so that's the answer for that. So now that we're done here, let's go to the next one. Alright, so let's jump. Here we are right here at the fourth question. Of course, here it says, which subject got the highest marks in the second term? Right, so now we have to find out the subject which has the most marks out of the entire second term. So let me just write in the query down here right here. And there you go, we have the query right here, as you can see. So here it says, of course, I've given it the select one for the subject to choose which subject. And of course I've given it a where clause to find the subject from the subject ID in the subject table. And of course I've given it a select to find the highest mark in the student exam mark record. So I can we can choose which one. And of course I've given it the select to max function for the student exam mark record to find the highest value in the student exam mark record table. And of course we give it an inner join and join it with the exam term, so we know which term, which is the second term. And as you can see right here, that's where it comes to play. I've given it a where clause, and here's the condition, which has second term. Right, so let's run this query and see which subject we get. And it's Sinhala language and literature. So yeah, that's the subject that has the highest mark out of the entire second term. So yeah, that's the answer for that. So now that we're done here, let's go to the fifth one. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are at the fifth question right here. As you can see, it says, find the details of the student who got the highest marks in the second term. So now that we have to find the student that got that highest mark in the second term, so let's go to the Hades SQL. Let me remove that previous query right here. So let me type in the query we need, and that is right here, as you can see. So right here, as you can see, I given it the select statement to the student table, and of course from the student table I've chosen the first name and then the last name from the student table, and of course I've given it the condition, which is from the index number. And from that, as you can see right here, I've given it the select max statement for the student exam mark record to find the highest mark out of the second term right here. And of course I've given it the only condition we have, which is the second term condition. So let me just run the query right here. Let me check with it. So right here we have Sachitra Vikramasinghe, which is the student who got the highest mark out of the second term. So yeah, that's the answer for that. So now that we're done here, let's go to the next one. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, here we are at this final question right here, sixth question right here. As you can see here, it says, find the details of the student who got the highest marks in mathematics in the first term examination and the class in which he is studying. So right here we have to find all the details of the certain student who got the highest marks in the first term mathematics subject, including his class. So let's go to the ADSQL. So let me type in the query right here. There we go. It's a bit of a big query actually. Let me see, come back and there we go. Right, there we go. There's a lot of space now, as you can see. So here, as you can see, I've chosen first. I used the select button, select student. Choose the student from his index number and his first name, his last name, his gender, contact number, class name, all of this from the student table. Right, so that's it. And of course we given it an inner join. Of course it said we had to find his class. Of course we joined it with the class table and find out his class using the class ID. And of course we have the condition where clause, and we use the index number which they will use to find the class. Right, so here we have the select part, which of course we have to use to find the marks of the student, as you see from the index number. And of course we have the another select max one, which is the find the highest value out of all the values within it. Right, so yeah, from that, and then of course we join it with that. And of course, as you can see, we've given it our conditions right here, which is the first term and the mathematics condition. So now that we typed it right here, let me just run this. And there it is. Here are our details. The number is STU004. The name is Amanda. Last name is Moses. Gender is female, and is your number and the class name. Right, so that's the final question answers. So now that we're done here, let's go to the end of the video. Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have for today. So yeah, I know it's been a while since I actually did a video, hasn't it? Just finished with the exams and stuff, so found some time to actually do a video. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This has been the part 21 of the PMS question set. And of course, I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.